Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on a 2021 X3 hybrid.
So here's a nice setup for a below freezing oil change. Get the patio heater out. Get all my tools ready. And then let's just go. When you need to do engine oil service on a BMW hybrid, and you need to start up the engine in order to warm up the oil, what you're going to do is open the hood. As you see, hood open, put your foot on the brake, and the car will start.
On the underside, you're going to remove the access port. Inside, you will see the oil drain plug, which is a 17 millimeter. I used a 6-inch extension on a ratchet to remove that. This vehicle does take approximately 5.6 quarts of oil with the filter. So make sure you have a large enough drain pan. While it's draining, remove the crush washer and get the new crush washer out of your packet. This comes with the oil filter. Back underside, reinstall the drain plug. And reinstall the cover. Back on top, this is where your filter is. It uses a 27 millimeter socket. I used a total of 9 inches of extension for this. You can remove these plastic shields, but sometimes lining them back up is a little bit of a pain. Remove the oil filter using a plastic bag and remove your O-ring. Reinstall the O-ring that comes with the new filter, making sure to seat it into the correct groove. Now you're going to install the filter, and just to show you that again, the little nipple goes kind of facing the center of the car, and it'll audibly click into place. Install the cap on the filter. You will have to push hard to have it seat back into the cap. Use a rag to wipe up any of the spills. And don't forget to add the oil. As I said earlier, it takes 5.5 quarts. Hey, if you like this content, please like, subscribe, and comment. Once you've added all the oil, you can close the hood because the next step is inside the vehicle. You're going to click the start button 3 times without depressing the brake pedal. Click it again 3 times. And then on the turn signal, which may be missing on some BMWs, you will push the BC button, and you're going to hold it for a while. It'll finally say reset is possible. Keep holding it. Release and then hold again. Release and then hold. And it'll let you reset it. Please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting.